Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to discuss two features on my Poco F2 Pro that no one's really talking about. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so the first feature I want to talk about is right now. I did not realize the Poco F2 Pro could actually do bokeh in video. Now, it does limit it to 720p, so that's why the video is in 720p and not my normal 4K, but it's there. Look at it. Look at that bokeh effect. I did not realize it. Actually, I got an update to MIUI 12, and I seen it on there. I was going through to see what changes was made, and I showed that this was on there, but it actually is on the device since you get it. It's on MIUI 11 too. Android Stud actually confirmed that for me, and he was actually sent me some video. I might even put that in here too. But yes, is it the best? I don't know. It looks pretty good. Look at that bokeh effect. Yes, you can do it on the front camera. Also, you can do it on the rear camera. So I'm going to show y'all in a bit about the rear. Sorry about all the noise in the background. Yes, I'm sitting in the minivan. Real men drive minivans. But get a minivan, you get all the ladies. But look at the bokeh effect on this thing. It actually works pretty good. I don't know. I'm going to come back and show you the rear camera in just a moment, so that way we can see it too. I might actually go home and do that one when I'm at my house, so I can set it up a little bit more to see exactly what I'm filming. But what y'all think? Yep, let me know in the comments. Alright everyone, so I'm back. Yes, I moved inside and I can actually see what I'm recording now. But what y'all think about it? How does it look? This is the rear camera on the Poco F2 Pro. Yes, I do have some type of bokeh effect going on. How does it look? Do I look crispy? Do I look as good as Android Stud or RP3 Tech Reviews on a Friday night when they stream with us on Team 100? Or do I look dull and boring? Y'all let me know. But I think this is just a cool feature to have on a phone. I mean, especially for $599, or like I said earlier, you can get it for probably $400 on Swap or even eBay. But what y'all think about it? Look at the background, look at me. Actually, I just think it's pretty cool now. Yes, I know some people are going to complain you can only shoot it in 720p. So maybe with an update, they can update it to 1080p or even 4K. But to have this on a phone of this price point, I think it's pretty cool. I don't know if I'm going to use it all the time, but it's a good feature to have on the phone. What y'all think? Do you think more cell phone companies should try it out? I know it's never going to look as good as a Canon or a Sony camera could do. Everybody knows that it's not going to look as good as that. But is it something usable? Do you think it's doable? I don't know. Y'all let me know. How do I look? Again, I'm just using the mic from the phone also. So how's the mic? I haven't tested it out since they upgraded it to MIUI 12. But y'all let me know, especially the background. I don't know. I think I look pretty good, especially for 720p. But yeah, I want your opinions. Let's get the discussion going. Stay tuned, because the next part is pretty cool too. A new feature that they added with MIUI 12, especially for the cameras. A lot of YouTubers were using this feature, so stay tuned to that. And until next time, peace. Alright, so the second feature I want to talk about is this right now. And this is actually new to MIUI 12. Yes, I can shoot the front camera and the rear camera at the same time. A lot of the LG devices had this feature back in the day, and it's pretty cool. Look at it. You can see my ugly mug and what I'm seeing on the road at the same time, which is actually a really cool feature, especially if you want to vlog. If you want to do vlogs every day, or any type of videos that you want to show off the front and the rear at the same time, this actually works out pretty good. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. How's the audio too? Again, this is just the mics on the Poco F2 Pro. Yes, I am gone driving around. If it's a little bumpy, let me know too, because again, it's just on a window mount. And yeah, y'all can see my ugly mug and the road what I'm driving on, so that's actually pretty cool. I don't know, will y'all use this feature if you had it on a phone? I think a lot of people will. Shout out to My Project 13. He used to love it on his V20. I know he used to do these type of videos all the time, and I know he does his morning vlog, so this phone might be something that he might want to pick up as far as just having this feature on there. But I know he still has, I think he still has his V20 though. But what y'all think about it? Y'all let me know in the comments. So I don't want to make the video too long. I just wanted to show off these two little features, which two of the features that nobody's really talking about on the Poco phone. So hey, the Poco phone for what, $599, or you probably can get it for $500 now on Swap or somewhere. So if it's a phone you never thought about getting, or if you kept on overlooking it, you may want to pick it up because it does have some cool features on there. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to have more coverage and maybe a final review on the Poco F2 Pro. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on technology and cell phones in general. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And till next time, peace. I'm out of here. I gotta go make some more videos. Later.